Our everyday intuition often sets incredibly rigid limits. A hotel, for instance, can only hold so many guests, and a planet only so much life. But prepare to have those deeply ingrained limitations not just stretched, but utterly shattered, because the universe we inhabit is far more mind-bendingly capacious than we can possibly grasp. Imagine, if you will, the legendary Hilbert Hotel, a place with an infinite number of rooms, and astonishingly, every single one is already full of guests. Our common sense, our very logic, screams no vacancy, it's impossible, right? Yet, when a single new guest arrives at the front desk, something truly extraordinary happens. Every existing guest simply moves down one room. The person in room 1 glides into room 2, the one in room 2 moves to room 3, and so on, infinitely. And just like that, room 1 is instantly, magically open. The hotel, still infinitely full, just made space. It's a revelation, a complete overthrow of what we thought we knew about full. This mathematical marvel doesn't stop there, it scales up in the most astonishing ways. What if 100 new people arrive? No problem, all existing guests simply move down 100 rooms, instantly creating 100 sparkling vacancies. But here's where it gets truly wild. An infinitely long bus, absolutely packed with an infinite number of people, pulls up to the hotel. How? Existing guests gracefully move to rooms with double their current numbers. Room 1 goes to 2, room 2 to 4, room 3 to 6, and so on. This astonishing maneuver makes all the odd-numbered rooms available, an infinite number of them, perfectly accommodating the new arrivals. But the ultimate, mind-bending shock comes when you consider accommodating an infinite number of infinite buses. How could that possibly work? A brilliant solution emerges. An infinite spreadsheet is conceptually created. Existing hotel guests and every single one of those infinite buses each get their own row, while the columns represent individual rooms or bus seats. Then, a dazzling, zigzagging line is drawn across this infinite by infinite grid. This line covers each unique ID exactly once, effectively transforming this seemingly impossible, endless grid into a single, straight infinite line. Every single person on that line, from the original residents to the last passenger on the last infinite bus, is assigned a unique, waiting hotel room. Our most fundamental, preconceived notion of full is utterly annihilated. Now, if mathematics can so radically redefine full, what does that mean for habitable? We often believe Earth is the pinnacle, the gold standard of life, but prepare to meet Hestia, a true superhabitable super-Earth. This marvel orbits a calm, stable orange dwarf star, enjoying a potential lifespan of up to 70 billion years. That's 7 times longer than our own yellow dwarf sun's 10 billion-year run, and crucially, without the harsh radiation bursts often seen from red dwarfs. Hestia boasts a radius 1.3 times that of Earth's, giving it about 20% greater surface gravity. Its massive metallic core and liquid mantle are a powerhouse, generating a protective magnetic field and fueling dynamic plate tectonics, which in turn regulate its climate and continuously resurface materials, keeping the planet vibrant. A charmingly slightly tilted axis and 4 small moons create mild, predictable seasons and delightfully leisurely 36-hour days. Hestia's true magic, however, lies in its environment, a biological dreamscape. Fragmented continental plates form a global archipelago, a world of islands maximizing coastlines and dramatically eliminating vast, arid deserts. Consider this: Earth has an estimated 9 million complex species, yet Hestia's coastlines are 45 times longer, easily supporting hundreds of millions. Its warmer 5 degrees Celsius average temperature and 1.5 times Earth's atmospheric pressure, coupled with higher oxygen and CO2 levels, foster immense biomass and even facilitate flight for its colossal megafauna. Shallow oceans, only 100 to 200 meters deep, cover most of its surface, maximizing sunlight penetration for plankton. This leads to the growth of vast, vibrant coral megacities and extensive, towering kelp colonies, creating ecosystems beyond our wildest imagination. Hestia isn't just habitable, it's a biological utopia, potentially hosting more life than Earth has in its entire history, and astonishingly, even fostering multiple intelligent civilizations. From making infinite room in a hotel that's already infinitely full, to envisioning a planet far more vibrant and teeming with life than our own. These examples force us to confront a thrilling, almost unbelievable truth. The universe routinely exceeds our most imaginative expectations. It transforms our perceived limits into mere starting points for new, utterly mind-blowing possibilities.